Who took it?
Who did whip up?
My surfing bird record. Where is it?
I don't know.
Birds. It's making so much noise. What's in here?
Nothing.
Your boyfriend's in here? How did you shrink him in there? Is it like voodoo?
My eyes look brown. I like that.
You have brown poop. Everybody has. Any baby with a brain can tell you everybody poops.
That's from Family Guy.
Family Guy's my life. Just kidding. Family Guy's not my life. Facebook is.
You can look her up.
No.
Greer Clooney. And her Hotmail. Greer.
Clooney TV at gmail.com.
CLOONEY.
TEVEE. It's gonna be.
Most likely that way.
Yeah, probably that way.
And if it's not that way, then it's that way.
Or
and if it's not that way,
then it's that way.
Yeah.
That way.
This means life.
Life? That means thumbs up.
To you.
I don't like black and white. It makes me feel old.
Remember?
Sausage thinks I'm a lady.
Whoa.
Fred.
Yeah.
Fred is so funny.
Before you subscribe to him, subscribe to us.
We'll put something here.
Like, most likely, yeah, here. And if it's not here, it's there.
And
if it's
maybe
not-
there will be one of those speech bubbles, like right here. We'll be like, subscribe.
And we're hoping you do.
5 stars. 5 stars for a failed attempt at making this a funny video.
Yeah.
And for my ugly nose.
And for my messy hair. I haven't showered in like a day.
She hasn't showered since like 2 o'clock. And it's 9.
Wow, my hair does not feel good.
Well, we have a question for you, peoples.
Question of the day.
Question
And you
of-
get,
Question of the night of our 500.
you get this pencil.
Yes, you will win a pencil.
Yeah. Why not?
Yeah, you are going to win a pencil,
You're gonna win something.
and you are going to like it.
Yeah, you're just gonna win something. What should the question be?
The question should be, what is your favorite color? And what is your favorite... I don't know. No.
That's like the worst question ever. We should
Cut.
do a rubber pen.
Cut.
No, because he's hot. Rubber pens inside. Whoever thinks that's, yeah.
Comment if you think he's hot. No. He's not hot. He's ugly. He's ugly. He's ugly.
Delayed reaction again.
Now, Peter, they're people like you and me.
Well, goodbye phone in the bathroom, but I still don't like me dating that boy.
Dad, didn't you say you'd give me whatever I wanted?
Peter Chow. Peter Griffin.
Wow, my hair does not look good. I have to
Perez
shower.
Hilton is leaving the building.
What should our sign be like?
My gut tells me. Right now, it's telling me I have
Indigestion.
But I'll suck it up and talk.
No, that's not. That's a heart.
That's not our symbol.
What should our symbol be?
Diarrhea.
What should our symbol be?
You are here to take out my daughter. What are your intentions?
I just think Meg is really cool,
Or-
and I want to get to know her better.
You know, Michael, my daughter's womb is not a wildfire for you to douse
This.
with your adolescent seed.
I
No.
understand.
Do you, Michael? Do you?
Hey, CT.
Let me ask you a question.
Hey,
You
CTV.
ever sit on your arm till it falls asleep and then play with yourself? and
Okay, we're
pretend
gonna go.
somebody else is doing it?
No, we're not.
Honestly,
No, wait.
yes.
We still didn't have a question. We needed a better question.
Oh, question. Comment if you think Robert Pattinson's hot.
And what is...
What is a horrible movie?
Yeah.
What is the worst movie ever?
And you can't say this because it's not a movie.
Yeah, this is a video.
I think you should subscribe.
Yeah.
Wait.
Who's there?
Oh, you can't see.
Hey, man.
Did we say a question yet? Oh, yeah.
Well, you didn't say it. Yeah, we
What is
did.
the worst movie ever? I
Yeah.
think Cloverfield is not a very good movie. It's kind of confusing, but it's a great movie at the same time.
You know what I think is a bad movie?
So thoughtful.
I have no idea.
What the hell?
No,
Meg, I'm not sure, but I think your dad is sitting at that table over there.
What? Where?
Well, I can't tell if it's him.
hey, whoa, pay attention.
That
That Jackie Chan movie with that guy.
What do you think you're doing?
There's lots of Jackie Chan movies with
Yeah, I know.
with the guy.
No, that blonde guy.
Have you been smiling
Rush Hour?
the entire time we've been
No, that's
Those
okay.
movies are awesome.
Yeah,
Watch them if you have.
Meg,
Anyways, with that guy who's from Yumi and Dupree.
But Michael,
Shanghai Nights.
Yes, that's like the word.
Shanghai Noon. All those movies, they're funny. Pink Panther is an awesome movie.
Like Jodie Foster.
Would you be my friend if I smiled like this?
oh no, Jody, it's my husband. He's home from work early.
Don't worry.
Can you
baby.
not?
I've got suntan.
Hey, Family Guy's
Sorry
funny.
if you're like under.
If you guys are like, what are they looking at? We're watching Family Guy.
If we could twist the computer, but we can't. It's too big.
No, yeah, it's too big.
What? Over.
We're almost there.
No.
Over.
No, over. Okay, I'm gonna stop feeding it through. Wait, if you haven't started feeding it, why'd you ask me if I could see it? Didn't call me that, I said, why'd you ask me if I could see it if you haven't started feeding it?
Anyways,
Over.
we need a better question. Like, we still have that question,
For
but
the record, I don't want to hang out with you anymore when this is over. When this is what, Brian? I said I don't want to hang out with you anymore when this is over. When this is what? You gotta finish your sentence. That's it. My sentence is over. Your sentence is what, Brian? My sentence is
Pineapples.
The sentence ends with the word over.
Here.
Oh, I see the word.
Pineapples. Sorry, it was backwards.
Violence is not the answer.
Meg, sweetie,
And,
it's been like 2 weeks.
um,
Don't you think it's
Hey,
time
do you know what
to-
formaldehyde is?
Yeah, man, he was a bum
What
anyway.
is it?
Another fella. I could say
Comment.
he was one of my friends.
Yeah. If you guys know what formaldehyde is. It's
And
in
if you
cigarettes. It's in cigarettes. It's gross. It's
And if you
used-
don't,
it's used to preserve
you're stupid.
preserve people
No offense.
when they're like.
I'm just kidding.
Michael,
Don't.
now what is it?
I didn't tell them. I just.
Yay!
Dad, I swear
Is
to
there anyone that
God,
cares about Sid the Sloth?
When I'm looking at the thing,
Yes.
I'm looking down there. Just
Yes.
because I don't really want to look at the green light.
Fresh taste.
This is like the longest video ever.
It's kind of about 7 minutes. Well, I'm gonna go because this is a really boring video.
Bye!